Game day snacks. Cold liverwurst dip. That's going to be so good. Oh, Cowboys.
Eagles.
Ah!
We're going to have a day like that.
I got your mascot here. I'm going to show you how to make it. Some of you like liverwurst a lot. Some of you don't, maybe, because you never tried it. We're going to watch the game tonight. We're going to make this early and chill it, because you could chill it overnight or a few hours, but it's going to be good. If you like liverwurst, who do you like? Cowboys? USA! USA!
Eagles.
Philadelphia, Philadelphia. Here we go! I'm going to use my KitchenAid mixer, the most beautiful color in the world and in the house. This is a pound of liverwurst, or Bronxburger. I learned the difference. Bronxburger is oiled and liverwurst is smoked. And that's where I found this recipe, just in the comments on Facebook, I believe it was. Not somebody I know, but wherever you are, thank you, because I love liverwurst. I loved it since my grandfather used to get it when I was a little younger. So, a pound of liverwurst. It's so good. It needs the casing. Just plop that in there. Put this up. KitchenAid. Going right in with a fresh can of Cadillac dog food. Plop. I used to remember my grandfather had dogs and he had Cadillac dog food because he liked Cadillacs too. And it smelled so good and it looked so good. I'm like, that's looking so good, but I didn't eat it. I did eat the doggy donuts though. Scallions, chopped up a few. Kathy cut them for me. Put them in there. How many did you cut up? How many was that?
It's about a quarter cup.
How many stalks?
4 of them.
This is 8 ounces of Philadelphia
Eagles!
cream cheese. Guess what? It's not even made in Philadelphia. Don't get me started on that. I went through that already. Such an easy dip. And then we're going to have it on Ritz crackers or whatever you like. You know, you can make toast points, then wheat crackers or whatever kind of crackers are there in the world. Nice. Here we go. Oh. Some Worcestershire sauce if you like that. 2-3 tablespoons maybe. A couple dashes like that. Not too much. And here we go. That's it. Was it that easy? 2 plops. Some onions. Oh, it smells so good with the Worcestershire sauce and the cream cheese and the onions and the liverwurst. If you like liverwurst, let's lock it down. Okay. Come over and watch maybe. Oh, it's gonna be quick. Can you see? KitchenAid does all the work for me. Slow, see? Oh man, what a dip that's gonna be. Slow enough? Let's look at it. Oh, it smells so good. This is a delicacy for me. This might even be good in a sandwich, you know, like that ham spread they have sometimes. Underwood deviled ham, remember that? Back in the old days. That was just on the first speed there. Is it good for you?
I would crank it up a little bit.
Oh, you think are you going to eat some of this?
I'll try it.
She's not a fan of liverwurst, but yeah, look at this. Wipe out. I'd say it's blended, right?
Okay.
Yes, can't get more blended than that. I love it. Oh boy. I'm gonna taste it. I'm going in, honey. How do you remove these? Like that? Don't worry, I'll lick the beater. That is delicious. That was delicious. yourself a fancy bowl or anything. Yeah, it's all gonna fit too, maybe. Liverwurst dip. Our worst is the best. Isn't it lovely? Could smooth it out more, make it fancier, put some green stuff on top, or salt and pepper, whatever you like. Hot peppers. I'm so glad I made this. It was so easy. What is this? What in the world? Here we go! Look at it. It smells delicious. Tastes delicious.
Oh, taste. You like it?
It's delicious. Right? Okay. Good luck, everybody. Hope your team wins.
That's actually good.
It's delicious. You gonna eat it at the party?
I'll have a couple, yeah.
The pity party?
The pity party.
I got a green towel for you over there.
Hey.
See you later. Try this. It's so easy. If you didn't ever have liverwurst, try it. Around the hot dogs and stuff, right? Around the lunch meat. Sometimes it's in the deli. It's so good. Believe me. Don't worry about the name of it. Think of it as pate. Fancy schmancy. Here you go.
Try it. Enjoy the game.
Thanks for watching. Good
Fly,
luck.
Eagles, fly.
Subscribe. Please subscribe. Watch Kathy's channel. We'll talk to you later. Bye.
See ya.